Delve into the fusion of Brazilian and Middle Eastern culinary traditions with this extended Kibe recipe. Kibe, also known as quibe, is a savory snack beloved in Brazil. Made from bulgur wheat and ground beef, and infused with aromatic herbs and spices. Begin by preparing the bulgur wheat, a key ingredient in Kibe. Soak the bulgur in cold water for about an hour until it softens. Once soaked, drain any excess water thoroughly. The bulgur should be moist but not wet. In a large mixing bowl, combine the softened bulgur with high-quality ground beef. The beef should be lean to balance the texture of the bulgur. Add finely chopped onions for a subtle sweetness and fresh mint for a burst of freshness. The mint is a crucial element, adding a distinctive flavor to the Kibe. Season the mixture with a blend of spices that are characteristic of Middle Eastern cuisine. Cumin and cinnamon are essential for their warm, earthy tones. Add salt to taste and a pinch of black pepper for a slight kick. For an authentic touch, some recipes also include a small amount of allspice or nutmeg. Knead the mixture well with your hands. This process is important to ensure that all the ingredients are thoroughly combined and the flavors meld together. The mixture should be homogeneous and easily moldable. Shape the Kibe mixture into small, oval patties. This traditional shape is not only visually appealing but also allows for even cooking. Make sure the patties are firm and well-formed. Heat vegetable oil in a deep fryer or a large, deep pan. The oil should be hot enough so that when a Kibe is added, it sizzles and begins to cook immediately. Fry the Kibes in batches, being careful not to overcrowd the pan. They should be fried until golden brown and crispy, which usually takes a few minutes. Once fried, remove the Kibes with a slotted spoon and drain them on paper towels to remove excess oil. Serve them hot and crispy. Kibe is traditionally accompanied by a tangy yogurt sauce or a squeeze of fresh lime juice, which adds a refreshing contrast to the savory flavors. Enjoy your homemade Brazilian Kibe, a simple yet delicious snack that's perfect for any occasion. Whether served at a party, as a snack, or as part of a larger meal. These crispy treats are a delightful way to experience the rich and diverse flavors of Brazilian cuisine.